Now the topic is enantiomers and diastereomers. Okay, enantiomers are non-mirror images. See, 6 for mirror images. See CH3. When you will draw a mirror, CH3 matches to CH3 like this. See, H, OH, C2H5. These are mirror images. But when you will keep the one structure on this structure, then CH3. See, this is CH3. CH3 is there, here H is there. So this CH3 not matches with H. That's why these are non-superimposable. These are non-superimposable. Okay, when you will assign the configuration, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Anti-clockwise, yes. Then due to presence of lowest priority group on horizontal, it is converted into R configuration. Like this is S configuration. See R and S. This is R isomer, this is S isomer. R and S are enantiomers. D and L, small d, small l also enantiomers. But see, this having specific rotation. They will rotate plane polarized light. Okay, they will rotate the plane polarized light. Specific rotation is same. See, 52.7, 52.7. Specific rotation is same, but their sign, see here positive, here negative. Means this will rotate like this. Positively at 52 degree it will rotate, but this will rotate the plane polarized light in the anti-clockwise direction like this. Like this. This will rotate the plane polarized light like this. Okay. So this is about same specific rotation but different in sign, positive, negative sign. Next, these are optical isomers. Optical isomers having same physical and chemical properties due to same structure. Due to the same structure, chemical structure, these are having same physical and chemical properties. Okay. The enantiomers are difficult. So due to the same physical and chemical properties, it's very difficult to separate the enantiomers. Okay, due to the same physical and chemical properties, it's very difficult to separate the enantiomers. But they can be separated by using polarimeter. By using polarimeter, you can separate the enantiomers. Why means this will rotate positive side, this will rotate negative side. So we can separate by using plane polarized light. This is positive, it will rotate positive. This will rotate right side like that. So due to different in plane polarized light rotation, we can separate based by using polarimeter. But the enantiomers have different biological properties. See, same physical and chemical properties. Due to this, we cannot separate enantiomers, but we can separate only using polarimeter. But these are having different biological properties. See, from dextroform, Leo having sometimes more active, dextroform sometimes more active. So this can differ in their biological activity. Diastereomers, majorly cis, trans, E and Z configuration comes under diastereomers. See, these are non-mirror images. See, CL here CL is not there. Here CL okay. Here CL here it's non-mirror images. When you will draw mirror, non-mirror image, not superimposable. So when you will keep the structure on this chloride matches to this, but this chloride not matches to this hydrogen. So non-mirror images, non-superimposable structures we can call as a diastereomers. Examples system trans, ELZ. See, these are having different spin rotation. See, so when you will take configuration of this one, this is S form, this carbon is S form, this carbon is R form. Okay, this carbon will rotate like this, but this carbon will rotate like this. Due to this, the light will not move any left and right side. Light will be in the middle. It's optically inactive compound. Same like the same. What will happen means, see, this carbon rotate the light in left side. This is carbon rotate light in left side. Due to this, what will happen? The entire light will rotate to left side. So this is, we can represent this as a negative side. Left side negative side. So this, see, different specific rotation. See, specific rotation. This having negative, this is having positive. This carbon negative, this carbon is positive. This carbon is negative, this carbon also negative. Both rotate the light in left side direction. Okay, say negative is there, negative positive is there. When negative positive is there, we can call it as optically inactive. Positive also Okay, they are different in specific rotation. These are having same specific rotation, different sign, positive, negative sign. Sign is different. Symbol, positive, negative symbol, but having same specific rotation. Specific rotation. Okay, so these are having different properties. These are different physical and chemical properties. So when the physical process is different, like point this one, so we can easily separate this diastereomers by using fractional distillation or fractional crystallization. Different physical and chemical properties due to difference in the physical properties like melting point. So based on melting point, we can separate the diastereomers in case of fractional distillation and fractional crystallization. See why the different physical and chemical properties and isomer. These are different structures, different physical chemical properties. These are same chemical structure. See, this is having CH3 chemical structure is same. So same physical chemical properties. These are having E cis and trans E and Z2 having different structure, different physical and chemical properties. Based on physical property, due to different physical property, you can separate the diastereomers by using fractional distillation.